So we have just checked into the Hilton Garden Inn at Heathrow, Terminal 3, and we are now in a junior suite. So, just going to give you an idea. This is the second room if you'd like. Start here. Hey all. So you've got TV. This is your room, isn't it?
Yeah.
So, sofa bed. It's all pulled out, ready for this evening. A bit firm. Bit firm. Chair and table in case you want to do some editing or work. Or if you want a second desk here. So you, fridge down here, kettle, plug sockets, second chair, and it spins. Right, let's go into the main room. We'll go into the bathroom in a second. So main room, you have another big screen TV on the wall, and then your big, would you say king size, Ange? Maybe queen. No, we're gonna go king. I think king. That one is a much comfier bed though than the other one, and you've got your plug sockets on either side of the bed. That should be a must for all hotel rooms.
I think it might be super king.
Safe down there. Okay, Angie's showing you that she can actually lie sideways and still manage to still loads of room. Yep. So you've got on the top here, you've got a hairdryer, you've got an ironing board and an iron, loads of room for shoes, and then you've also got hanging space there. And then into the bathroom, you've got big mirror there, just in case you want to do shavers. I don't think anyone uses that anymore, but if you do, it's there. Only the one sink, and then toilet, and a big shower. And the amenities you use are Crabtree and Evelyn. So that is your junior suite here at the Hilton Garden Inn at Heathrow Airport, Terminal 3.
And you've missed the main thing.
Oh, of course.
It's got a runway.
Oh, 1 minute, yeah, we need to show you the view. That's the runway view.